Good morning, everyone. That's a nice little beautiful waterfall at the rest area. A little bit of mosquito though. Okay. Mosquito. Oh, I think we have a bunch inside now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Just hate having mosquito when I'm sleeping. It's the worst feeling. I cannot stand it. Alright, that was beautiful though. We just stopped at the rest area. Look at it. So I thought that we'll just have to go to the bathroom, to be honest, but I decided. Oops. You guys okay? I decided we're gonna eat too because I'm a little bit hungry. So we're gonna eat a little pizza. I do have this plant-based sausage that I really like. So that's cooked. I chopped that and that's cooking. I put a bunch of mushroom. I'm gonna cut some bell pepper. And we get ourselves a little pizza. So I put all the vegetable back on the tortilla, and I'm gonna put some nutrition yeast. That will be the cheesy flavor. Alright, I've done this recipe a couple times in this channel. I was feeling to have a little dessert with that, so I'm gonna have some cinnamon stick. So I got some cinnamon and sugar. And I cut some tortilla bread. I'm just gonna fry them, and when they're gonna be ready, we're gonna go eat it. So this is my cinnamon stick. Alright, enough food. Let's drive a little bit more. It's been the first day for the past couple days that we don't have any wind. It's been so hard to drive the van for the past couple of days because it was so windy and wind gusts, and the van was just moving around. So right now that it's got no wind, we're gonna do some driving. Hello. You look a little bit lost, baby. Oh, she's back. This is the last time zone that we're gonna do. Eastern one. We already passed. That's the third time zone that we passed. 3 hours different from Vancouver to the East Coast. So I think we're gonna go in Thunder Bay and sleep in town. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to do probably tomorrow because it's getting late. So I thought that I slept at Walmart before here in this town. This is behind the Walmart, but the front of the Walmart doesn't sound like that much promising either. Sorry, Thunder Bay people, your Walmart doesn't seem too safe. Doesn't feel. I really thought that I slept there for some reason. It's got a second Walmart in this town. I think I might go to the other Walmart. It's a little bit more outside of the town, but I think I'm gonna feel better about it, guys. If not, we're gonna go with the truck stop. Maybe I'll sleep at the other one. I just saw there's no overnight parking anyway. Alright, second Walmart, feel way better. There's already one RV here, one guy I think in his pickup, and another kind of older RV over there, so feels better. And there's a Canadian Tire just on the other side, which is one of the places that we need to stop tomorrow. So tomorrow I have a couple of things, maintenance things and things that I wanted to do, because this is like quite a big town, and after that we kind of take a different route to go to Quebec. We kind of crossing pretty soon, so it's gonna be smaller town after that. So I just want to make sure the vans are good for the rest of the trip. So I'm gonna pick you up tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It's been a slow morning. Because of the time difference, the time zone, I went to bed late. I think it was past midnight, and I woke up at 8:30, which is not my usual. And now I have to do editing. So pretty much right now it is past 10 o'clock. I'm still almost done though. I already had portion of this video already started editing, so that's good for that. But yeah, usually by 9 or 10 I'm already done doing everything, you know. And right now it's just like, all right, we're not gonna do too much today, I'm feeling. All right, this is the state of my van right now. Since I've been doing van life, I really enjoy my slow morning, grab a cup of tea, just relax. But I always edit in the morning too as well, because this is the time that I'm just like, I don't know, my brain just go faster with editing. I'm more creative or whatever. And if I want to do both of those things, edit and slowly wake it up and enjoying the morning, kind of need to wake up early, which is fine. This is what I do. But this morning I was like, oh no, this is later than usual. I usually wake up around 6:30, which it was close to that in Vancouver. It was 3 hours before that, 5 hours, 5.5. Yeah, 5:30 when I woke up technically in Vancouver. So yeah, quite close to the time that I wake up. But it's all good. It's done now. We are good to go. More than 10:30. Let's pack everything and move, because we are still in the same spot that we slept at Walmart. So the first little stop that I want to do this morning is to stop at Canadian Tire. We need to grab a couple things for the van, and after that I think I need a shower too. That would be awesome. I thought I had a road to go to the Canadian Tire, but we don't, so I'm gonna have to cross it. You know, do you have like one of those feelings like today it's gonna be like a clumsy day? I already started like this. I already forgot to lock this up. this is good. Everything's all good, kitty. I got what I needed. Air filter. Yeah, mine was a bunch of bugs inside. It's not the worst that I saw, but we're gonna do it. I thought that my hair filter would be a little bit more dusty and dirty, but I still gotta change it. It's only $25. It's alright. Another thing that I need to do today is an oil change.
Harbor Expressway for 3 kilometers. Your destination is on the left.
Would you like us to take your tire pressure for you there?
No, I'm good.
All good?
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Take the next right onto Alloy Drive, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
The guy at the oil change was kind of funny. I told him, I'm like, I'm doing a road trip, so can you just like make sure that all my fuel are just like top up like while you're there, you know what I mean? Usually they just look and they're like, oh, you need a little bit of transmission or whatever, you know what I mean? And he was looking at everything in my van. He was like, so we usually suggest to change this and change this and this and this at that amount of, you know, kilometers. So it's like, you tire every I'm like, oh, they are brand new, my tire. And you wiper blade, I'm like, I just changed them, and you remove the air filter. It's like, oh, look like your air filter like is brand new. I'm like, yeah, I just changed it before I came here. I'm like, just look the fuel. Like, I always look, but I just, while I'm there, I just make sure that I look correctly, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm like, I don't need anybody to to change my wiper or anything. It takes me 20 minutes, but I can manage it. And I can change my filter too as well. There's a limit of stuff that I can do on my own. Yeah, Kitty always do that. There's a limit of stuff that I can easily do on my own, but those ones I do it. The rest just... Alright, so we're gonna go I think I can have a shower here. I hope. I hope I'm not gonna go there. I'd like, no, there's no shower here. I think there is. We are at the truck stop. Have a nice warm shower. There's no, I don't think I'm gonna see my gym for a very long time, because I'm going in Quebec, and where I'm crossing I look and doesn't seem to have any of my gym. What are you doing there? Yeah, a little curious cat. Yeah, this is your food there. I told you today that was probably not my day. He said the shower quite busy, so always leave the trucker take their shower. And that's their place mainly, even though if it's a traveler center. Obviously it's smaller space than mine, so it's all good. I just look, and there's another truck stop to the other town that I'm going. There's 1 hour here, 2 trucks like in fact, and they both have showers, so I'm gonna have a shower later on over there instead. It's all good. Usually I don't take the shower first thing in the morning, because I know usually that's probably the time, but apparently around lunchtime it's also their time. Which I get. They come here to have a snack and eat at the restaurant, and have a shower, I presume, like in the same time. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna drive to the other town and relax. I think that's gonna be the plan for the rest of the day. Just a little bit of driving and relaxing, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. How you doing, Kitty? What are you doing over there? You want kisses? Ah, thank you. You're so nice. Ready to do more driving? Alright guys, we'll see you into the next one.